No,
Never met such a rude person.
yeah, later.
This is fucking. I thought they were trying to waste man your life, man. You know what? It ain't working. I thought Jesus wasn't protecting the both of us. She.
It is, yes.
Good. Alright, where do you want that cross? Where'd you have it? Over there. Alright, where's the place
No, it's good for right now. Sit down.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Are you mad?
I'm going to touch
I
it.
did not, huh? Just leave it be. Man for this. Now I'm sorry. Honey, this is supposed to be your cross.
It's good where it's at. It's fine.
That is good. I have one side of bread. I love my husband.
A while. I have to go work with this a little while.
No.
Not a little while, but I have to go work around 2.
2.
Around 3, actually. I'm going to later today. So.
Right. Thought she might never has never will.
No.
No. True. Honey, when I told you that.
The way the Chuck calls me is he's getting supplies. I'm going to get home at 8 o'clock tonight.
Repeat that, please.
I had to wait to Chuck get some supplies, and I won't be home till like 8 o'clock tonight.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock?
Yes.
Confirm that, please.
The wait to get some supplies, what we need, and I'll be home till 8 o'clock tonight. Just let it out if you need to let it out.
No, thank you.
Well, it's all that pollen coming in.